Hey, what's up everybody? I'm gonna attempt to take out this axle from my VFR800 to take off one of the studs that I broke on the other side. First, gotta get off this nut, this 46mm nut here. It's pretty tight in there. I had to unstake it first right here. It was pressed in a little groove. You have to stick a screwdriver in there, so I did that already. I'm gonna attempt to take it off with this breaker bar and this big 1 13/16 inch socket. I couldn't find the 46, so here goes nothing, guys. Ah, it came off. See that? Got it loose. It worked. Okay, so got that off. Now, gotta take off the wheel behind me. So check this out. Now I gotta take this off. Take off these lug nuts off my wheel here. And you guys can watch that. As you can see, one of them is this. All right, got the wheel off. All right, now we have to get off. We have to take off. You'll see. And then put the light on. This thing has to come off. It's called the stub hub. So I have to take off my brake caliper. Might have to let it hang for a minute and then get that whole thing off. So let's do this. We're taking off the two 12mm bolts that hold the brake caliper here. Anyway, got the caliper off. Now, ouch, gonna get off this, take off this 46mm bolt and pull out this whole rotor assembly. It's really called a stub hub on this VFR. Very light taps. Alright, so this whole hub is gonna fall when I pull this out. Oh, there we go. There goes the stub. Y'all saw that? Okay. So, here it is. Finally got it off. Right here. There we go. Now I have to put it all back together.